Sejal. Yes, sir. Yes. Once again, very good afternoon, dear students. Okay, so today's we are going to clear the concept of abstract data type. Okay, so what exactly abstract data type? Abstract data type is a mathematical model for data types. Okay, it is a mathematical model. How an abstract data type is defined by its behavior, means its semantics from the point of view of user. Okay, means it gives us some syntax to how it will behave or how user can use it. Okay, so basically in terms of possible values, operations on data of this type, means we are performing the what are the different operation we are going to perform on that data स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, सो उसका एब्स्ट्रैक्शन मतलब हम शॉर्टकट में उसको रिप्रेजेंट करने वाले हैं. वी आर नॉट राइटिंग होल द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन डिटेल्स देयर, सिर्फ हम उसके फंक्शंस कौन से रिक्वायर्ड है वो हम लोग देखने वाले हैं. दिस इज द कंसेप्ट ऑफ एडीटी. इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द एडीटी एज अ एरे, एरे के लिए एडीटी कैसे बनाएंगे वो फंक्शन हम लोग देखने वाले हैं. ओके, सो अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, एडीटी इज अ यूजफुल टूल फॉर स्पेसिफाइंग the logical properties of data type. How logical properties we can say, we are going to see in detail. Okay, this is a theoretical point you just clear. I'm giving one example that you can clear all the parts. Okay, a data type is a collection of values and the set of operations on the values. Yes, डेटा टाइप क्या है? कलेक्शन ऑफ वैल्यूज है. उसके अंदर हम लोग डेटा एब्स्ट्रैक्ट डेटा टाइप हम लोग क्या बोल सकते हैं, जो हम लोग डेटा स्ट्रक्चर यूज करते हैं उसके नंबर ऑफ ऑपरेशन जो हम लोग परफॉर्म करते हैं, बट उसको वी आर providing only the function name there. We are not focusing on the how function definition of it. मतलब मुझे array को create करना है तो create का क्या function रहेगा, array को मुझे create करना है तो क्या function रहेगा, मुझे array से डेटा रिट्रीव करना है, एक्सेस करना है तो क्या फंक्शन रहेगा, मुझे array को डिस्प्ले करना है तो क्या फंक्शन रहेगा. दिस फंक्शनैलिटी इज कॉल्ड एज अ एडीटी. वी आर हाइडिंग द डिटेल्स ऑफ इट. मतलब हम लोग कैसे scan the array, then see in a of I, then print that array. This point we are going to see, but in ADT we are hiding implementation detail here. Okay, so again we are revising. ADT refers to the mathematical concept that defines the data type. Okay, ADT is not concerned with implementation but is useful in making use of data type. The last statement is very important as per ADT is concerned. ADT is not concerned with implementation but it is useful in making use of data type. Just जब मुझे array data structure use करना होगा, so I'm not concentrating on how the array will implemented, we just focusing on the operations on that array. So कौन से operations से वो array के वो हम लोगों को देखने हैं. Okay, so what now we are going to focus on ADT for an array. Okay, so no doubt array are stored in consecutive set of memory allocation. Yes, everyone agree with this. We are storing the array element in continuous memory allocation. Okay, so we are storing continuous memory allocation. Array can be thought of as a set of index and values. Yes, we know that array पे हमें operations perform करने हैं, array पे work करना है, तो हमें ये पता होना चाहिए array is a collection of actual, we are focusing on the indices and their values. Okay, ये दो part बहुत important है array में, that is index and their values. Okay, and for each index which is defined there is a value associated with that index. Yes, जो पूरा खेल है array का पूरा index पे depend है, so that's why the index which is defined there is a value associated with that index. Okay, and there are actual three operations permitted on array data structure: क्रिएट, रिट्रीव एंड स्टोर. एरे में हम लोग एक्चुअल तीन ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करते हैं. मैंने क्या बोला, एडिटी एडीटी एज एब्स्ट्रैक्ट डेटा टाइप ऑफ एन एरे हम लोगों को रिप्रेजेंट करना होगा. तो एरे को क्रिएट कैसे करते हैं, क्रिएट का फंक्शन रिक्वायर्ड है. देन एरे को रिट्रीव कर रहे हैं, मतलब हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू एक्सेस द एलिमेंट फ्रॉम दैट एरे. एंड नेक्स्ट वन, हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टोर द एलिमेंट इनटू एरे. ओके, दीज आर द ऑपरेशंस. वी कैन से दैट जितने भी एरे के ऊपर हम लोग ऑपरेशन करने वाले हैं, क्रिएट, रिट्रीव, स्टोर. लेट्स से एरे में डिलीट कैसे करेंगे, एरे एक एरे से एलिमेंट कॉपी कैसे करेंगे, दो एरेज को मर्ज कैसे करेंगे, सॉर्टिंग कैसे करेंगे, दिस पॉइंट हाउ टू इंसर्ट द एलिमेंट इनटू एरे, these operations we can say that it is a ADT of an array. So simple language में ADT of an array means what? This is the operations of that array. मतलब हम कितने operations हम लोग array पे perform कर सकते हैं. The name of that function is called as ADT of an array, and we are hiding the implementation details of that array. So I hope everyone is clear it. Okay, so just concentrate on that example. Okay, so ADT for an array, just concentrate. There are three major functions: create, retrieve and store. Okay, so create means produces an empty array. Initially we are creating the array create करने के लिए simply हम लोगों ने क्या किया, एक empty array लिया. Okay, then when we are about to access the element from the array, retrieve करना है, access करना है, तो क्या जरूरी होता है? ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट जब हम लोग एरे को एक्सेस करते हैं तो क्या जरूरी होता है? सपोज मैं सी आउट कर रही हूँ, सी और सपोज मैंने ए टू 5 मतलब ए ऑफ 5 का एरे लिया, मुझे ए ऑफ 4 की वैल्यू एक्सेस करनी है, तो मुझे क्या आएगा, क्या डिस्प्ले करना पड़ेगा? सी आउट ए ऑफ 4 मीन्स फॉर रिट्रीविंग एक्सेसिंग द एनी एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम दैट एरे it requires array name and their index. I hope everyone is agree. और उसके थ्रू हम लोग क्या एक्सेस करेंगे? The value of that array. Clear here? Yes, everyone is clear what exactly
Yes.
the yes. So when I want to retrieve the element from that array, तो जरूरी क्या है? array का नाम जरूरी है, उसका index जरूरी है और उसकी value जरूरी है. So I hope everyone clear this point. Clearly it's क्लियर हो गया सबको ये क्या मैं बोल रही हूँ? मुझे एरे का, लेट से कल हम लोगों ने एग्जांपल देखा, डबल नाम का एक एरे लिया था, उसमें मैंने क्या करा, डबल ऑफ 4 मतलब फोर्थ लोकेशन की वैल्यू मुझे एक्सेस करनी होगी. मतलब क्या, आई एम रिट्रीविंग द वैल्यू फ्रॉम दैट एरे. तो रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? नेम ऑफ द एरे, एरे इज द नेम ऑफ दैट एरे एंड द इंडेक्स. इंडेक्स मीन्स कौन से लोकेशन पे जो वैल्यू हम लोगों ने स्टोर किया है, it represented by index only in that array. Okay, so likewise we are going to retrieve the element from that array. Okay, ये देखो, takes an input array and index and either returns appropriate value or an error. Yes, array का इंडेक्स नहीं दिया तो वो एरर जनरेट करेगा. सो दैट व्हेन वी वांट टू एक्सेस द एलिमेंट फ्रॉम दैट एरे, तो एरे का नाम, एरे का इंडेक्स जरूरी होता है, उसके अलावा हम लोग वैल्यू एक्सेस नहीं कर सकते. ओके, नाउ आई वांट टू स्टोर, नेक्स्ट फंक्शन विल बी स्टोर. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट ऑपरेशन ऑन दैट एरे दैट इज स्टोर. स्टोर एरे में स्टोर करने के लिए क्या क्या जरूरी है? एरे का नाम जरूरी है, कौन से इंडेक्स में स्टोर कर रहे हैं, किसको स्टोर कर रहे हैं, वैल्यू को. दैट्स व्हाई स्टोर फंक्शन, इट रिक्वायर्स 3 पैरामीटर्स. one is array, second one is index, third one is value. Okay, so here we are not giving the इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पार्ट. ईयर मैंने पूरा इम्प्लीमेंटेशन नहीं दिखाया है कि हम लोग एरे को कैसे क्रिएट करेंगे, कैसे एरे का एलिमेंट रिट्रीव करेंगे, कैसे स्टोर करेंगे. आई एम नॉट राइटिंग एनी कोड फॉर दैट retrieve and store function. I'm just giving the highlight the operations or functions of array. Okay, so this is the concept of ADTs. Means we are hiding implementation details, just focusing on what are the different operations we are going to perform on that array. So I hope everyone is clear now what exactly ADT is. Yes, clear everyone? Just concentrate. ADT में हमें क्या लिखना है, क्या पता होना चाहिए? ऑपरेशंस ऑन दैट एरे. एरे को पहले क्रिएट करना पड़ता है, एरे से एलिमेंट हम लोग रिट्रीव करते हैं, एरे में एलिमेंट स्टोर करते हैं. दीज आर द बेसिक ऑपरेशंस ऑफ एन एरे. और उसको हम लोग किस वे में रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं? इन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट वे. मींस वी आर हाइडिंग द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन डिटेल्स. यस, क्लियर? क्लियर एवरीवन दिस पॉइंट? एनी डाउट नाउ? Yes, if it is doubt, you can ask, no problem. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, dear student. This is a very important part, what exactly ADT is. Every data structure का आप लोग ADT बना सकते हो. जैसे मैंने array का बोला, आप लोग stack का बना सकते हो, queue का बना सकते हो. जैसे हम लोग different data structure सीखेंगे, like list data structure, linked list we are talking about. So according to that, you can create your own ADT. or how we are going to create our own header file, definitely I will take the lecture on it. हम लोग एक एक्स्ट्रा लेक्चर लेंगे उसके लिए, और आपको खुद की हेडर फाइल क्रिएट कैसे करते आएगी वो मैं सिखाने वाली हूँ, सो दैट यू कैन क्रिएट योर ओन हेडर फाइल. और वो हेडर फाइल का यूज आप लोग दूसरे प्रोग्राम में कर सकते हो. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट टाइम विल सी दिस. ओके, now we'll focus on the next part of that. Yes, the representation of array. There are no doubt you have clear the syntax of array, variable name and size of that array. So we are focusing on operation with the arrays. These are the different operation we are doing: copy, how we are going to copy the from one array to another array, how to delete the element from the array, how to insert the element into array, how we are going to search the element from this array, how we are going to sort that element. Okay, so these operations we are going to see one by one. Okay, how we are going to merging these two arrays, how it will do, we are going to see this. Okay, these are the basic parts in array data structure. Now then we move further for the how array will deal with pointers. Okay, तो वो point हम लोग next इसमें देखेंगे. So this is also very important part. Okay, now so next one will be what? First operation will be copy operation. Okay, just see the code here. Yes, just I'm writing here. No doubt it's a C++ code. Don't concentrate on all the syntax. Just concentrate on concept on it. Yes, in main I'm taking two array variable, that is a of 100, b of 100. Okay, and some variables I'm declaring. Okay, in cout, enter the number of elements in array. I'm entering down total number of elements enter kiye. Yes, I'm scanning the n. Okay, now now I'm entering the elements. Okay, so for first of all, I'm entering here c equal to 0. C is less than n, C++. Dear student, not necessary always we are using I subscription here. You can use any type of variable, I, J, K, whatever you want. Okay. So now for copy purpose, I am using C variable here. Okay. So initially मैंने क्या किया? C in A of C means I am scanning first array. Okay. I'm scanning the first array element. Second for loops for C equal to 0, C is less than or equal to n minus 1, C++. I'm displaying the second first array. Okay. Now I want to copy the element of array A to B. So what simply will do? It's a magic, dear student. Just see here. I'm using the for loop. In for loop, I'm just writing only a equal to operator. A of C. Always remember that the RHS will be copied into LHS. Always remember that. So A of C will be copied into B of C. Finished. It's only one statement required to copy the one array element into another array element. I hope everyone clear this. समझ में आ रहा है? Directly just using equal to operator, we are copying all the elements from first array into the second array. It's really a miracle concept. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear this point. Now we are going to implement in online GDB. Okay, so I request Sejal just start the online GDB. I hope everyone clear this part. Any doubt now? कैसे किया है सिर्फ? We are just copying. Just concentrate on that code. मैंने A of C के जो element है first array के element directly second array में क्या कर दिए है? Copy कर दिए है. I hope everyone is agree with this. Fine, everyone. Okay, so this is the copying operation. No doubt. I think next lecture we are going to implement this code. Okay, so we are going to see this code in next lecture. Okay, thank you so much, Sejal. Okay, now just start the programming here. Just declare one array, two arrays here, A of 1, and you have to select C++. Very good. Then we have to write hash include IO stream. Yes, hash include IO stream is required. Yes. Then enter using namespace std. Using namespace std. Fine. Then we are just starting start the main function, integer main. Okay, in which yes, declaring the two arrays here, A and B. Okay, curly brackets we need to start firstly, then we have to start the coding. Yes, integer, very good. Int A of 10 comma 10 comma B of 10. Okay, semicolon. Okay, cout, enter the number of elements into array. Enter the number of elements. Dear student, it's very a good concept of online GDB that you can clear the concept there only. Okay, so no need to check again from your side. You can easily clear that concept from the online GDB. Okay, enter the number of elements in array A. Okay. Then C in N, semicolon is required at the end of cout statement. Okay, because we are implementing program in C++. Fine. C in N. Okay, declare the N variable there firstly. So the error will not there. Int N. Very good. Okay, fine. C in N. Enter. Then scan the array directly. See for I equal to 0. Declare I there only directly for integer I in bracket. Int I, or you can use C variable, no problem. Semicolon. I is less than N I plus plus. Okay. Then curly bracket starts. And it will automatically come. Then we have to scan C in A of I. C in A of I. Yes, very good. Semicolon. Fine. Now we just displaying it. Do the copy that for loop for seeing all the contents and directly do the cout. Don't do this, dear student, when we are implementing the program, because copy paste it's not allowed in coding part, right? But we don't have more time to explain this part. That's why I'm doing this. Okay, enter it. Yes, just copied it. Fine. Then we have to make here cout A of I. Very good. Cout. Yes. Okay, so up to last end, just do the endl statement so that it will come as a new function, right? New line. Okay, cout. C. Okay, fine. The spelling is wrong of cout. That's cout. Fine, very good. Okay, then now we are just printing it. Just do the statement here. Enter it. Copying cout. Copying the array element A to B. Cout. Copying the element A, array A to B. Okay, it's very simple concept. That is only a equal to operator it will do. Fine. Yes, again we have to use for loop there. Just use for loop. Yes. Again we have to make for. Again we have to declare integer I. Int I. Okay, I is less than N. I is less than N I plus plus. Okay, enter it. Curly bracket start. Yes, there is just B of I equal to A of I. A of I. Very good. And now, yes, enter there. Enter it. Okay. And just again, I need to display the B, right? B we should display ना. उसमें कॉपी हो रहा है तो B को भी मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? I need to display it, right?
We
Yes.
need to give semicolon or
Yes. Do the semicolon there. Very good. Okay, fine.
मैम cout statement को भी semicolon.
Yes. Yes, very good. Just one by one statement वो display हर time वही display करेगा. Write down cout B of I there. What will happen? We're going to see. Now again, what we are going to do now? फिर से हमें उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Separate for loop में देना पड़ेगा. Okay, last में endl दो, so that it will give the proper answer. Okay, fine. Just compile it. Yes, yes, enter the number of elements into array. Yes, you can maximize your screen and control plus karo so that give the it will display in maximum size. Okay, very good. Okay, so enter the number of elements in array, that is 2. Okay, yes, enter the element now. 1, 2, 3, whatever. 3, 4. Okay, fine. Yes. What happens is it's not showing the correct
Return
output.
0.
Yes. Yes, you have to give that. Yes, go down. Yes, return 0 is required when we are returning something, main function returning it. Yes, give the return 0 statement. It's missing on our code, right? It's not there. After finishing the for loop, it required. After completing the for loop, yes, out of for loop, yes, there will be the return 0. Yes, very good. Compile it. Okay. Now, yes, enter the 3 element. Okay, 5. Okay, 2. No problem. Yes. Copy the element A to B, that is 3 and 4. Just see here. Yes. I hope everyone is clear this. क्लियर हुआ? ये देखो आउटपुट को फिर से प्रॉपर्ली हम लोग एनालिसिस करते हैं. एंटर द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इन एरे, सो एंटर दैट इज 2. Okay, now the 3 4 is displaying array. Just give the cout statement that displaying array also, so that everyone can differentiate it. Okay, yes, so just give there displaying the array. जो cout a of I before that. Okay, fine. Cout displaying B array or second array, we can say. Displaying second array. Yes. And after C in A of I, just give the cout displaying first array. No. After for loop, we have to write it. Yes. Enter it. Cout displaying.
Slash n also we need to be.
Yes. Slash n also required. Do the slash n. Okay, fine. After printing, okay, run it. For cout statement also, it's very good while we are doing this. Okay, no problem. Run it now. Okay, just see everyone. Only a equal to operator or elements we are copying into another array. Yes. Enter the element in an array, that is 3. Enter 1, 2, 3, whatever you want. 2, 3. Okay. Yes. Just concentrate here displaying first array. Okay, जो statement वो नीचे आ रहा है, मतलब हमने जो element 1 to the displaying first array, why it's not displayed? Copying the element array A to B, it's properly displayed, right? ये जो element copy हो गए B में, वो properly display हो रहे हैं. मतलब हमने किसको display किया? cout 1 2 3 को display किया. Yes. Just go to the code. I hope everyone is clear. Equal to operator से वो directly किस में जा रहा है? B में जा रहा है. But displaying the first array, so it's not displaying properly. What I'm saying? यहाँ पे जो भी है, ये slash n निकाल दो तो last का. न्यू लाइन पे जा रहा है, कहाँ पे जा रहा है? Again there is some issues. Okay, fine. Okay, so here we are displaying first array, then it will copy it into the second array. I hope everyone is agree. Just run now. Okay. initially stop it because sometime it will running. It requires more time to run. Okay. Enter the elements into array. Okay. Enter the element. Fine. Okay. Displaying the array element. Okay. After copying this element will display. Okay. Okay. Fine. So I hope ये जो हमने C out B of I किया है ना, this statement just remove from it and display it in another for loop so that it will be better to understand. Yes. Here we are copying the element into B of I, right? Yes. Take another for loop. Yes. Enter it. For displaying purpose, take another for loop. So it will be better for clearing all the concepts. Okay. Okay, fine. Yes, I plus plus. Then just display it. Very good. Okay, fine. Now run it. Now. There is some error. Just go outside. Yes, what we are going to do here? We are copying all the elements into it. Yes. For I equal to 0, C n, all the functionality are proper, right? Total number of, just do the debugging, start the debugging there. Okay. Okay. Just start, do wait for 2 minutes, start, then click on this for loop, displaying first array. डिस्प्लेइंग फर्स्ट एरे जो है वहां पे क्लिक करो, डिस्प्लेइंग उस लाइन पे क्लिक करो सो दैट ब्रेक पॉइंट वी आर गोइंग टू गिवन देयर. क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग? ब्रेक पॉइंट लगा रहे हैं. ओके स्टार्ट इट. ओके ओके फाइन फाइन स्टार्ट हो गया. अभी करो एंटर द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. स्टेप इनपुट करो 3. ओके एंटर. स्टॉप करो फिर से. वी नीड टू स्टार्ट द डिबगिंग हियर. Yes, start. Yes. Go to the step info. It's not working. Okay, enter the element there. Yes. Yes, enter in the element to enter it. There is some mistake are there. Debugging भी नहीं हो रहा है. Poor connection का issue आ रहा है आपके साइड में. There is some issue regarding poor internet connection.
No, ma'am.
Internet connection ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
नहीं,
Debugging में issue नहीं आना चाहिए. Okay. Okay.
मैम आई थिंक ये डिस्प्ले लूप के अंदर चाहिए था क्या?
नहीं नहीं नहीं, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. अरे हमने आई को इनिशियलाइज ही नहीं किया है. आई इक्वल टू 0, इंटीजर आई इक्वल टू 0, आई इज लेस देन n. सो ये फर्स्ट जो पार्ट है in for loop we are declaring variable. Dear student, just concentrate here. In C++ only we are declaring variable into for loop. अदर लैंग्वेज में पॉसिबल नहीं है कि हम लोग फॉर लूप में वेरिएबल को डिक्लेयर कर रहे हैं. कहीं पे भी डिक्लेरेशन अलाउड है इन ओनली C++. इंटीजर i इक्वल टू 0 मेंशन करना जरूरी है. जस्ट डू दैट. इंटीजर i इक्वल टू 0, दैट्स व्हाई तो गार्बेज वैल्यू दे रहा है यहाँ पे इन फॉर लूप. गॉट इट? समझ में आया सबको क्या एरर है? ऐसे एरर आनी चाहिए रन टाइम सो दैट we can easily clear the code now. Okay, yes, everywhere I should be equal to जीरो, मतलब हम इंडेक्स का इनिशियलाइजेशन ही नहीं दे रहे तो वैल्यू कैसे स्टोर होगा उसमें? समझ में आ रहा है सबको? सबको समझ में आया? अभी कोड अभी रन करो, damn sure abhi definitely it will work, dear student. Yes, we have to first in for loop first statement should be the initialization, means we have to give the equal to operator and some value to that subscription. Okay, now run it. हमने वो दिया ही नहीं, that's why this problem arises. Yes, now enter the elements into array. Miss, okay. Yes, now it's properly displayed. I hope everyone is clear. Abhi dekho, we have entering the number of elements into array, that is 3 4 5 7. Now displaying the first array 4 5 7, and after copying the elements A to B, the displaying 4 5 7. So I hope everyone is clear for copying the element from one array to another array. Okay everyone, so it's clear to all? Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. Now, likewise, we are going to copy the element from one array to another array. So it's very simple statement. You can see, just we are using equal to operator. We are copying the element from one array to another array. Okay. Now, now we start the next function, that is delete operation. Okay. So how we are going to delete the operation from that array? Okay.
Shall
So
I stop
now,
sharing, ma'am?
yes, 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 yes. So now just starting the delete operation. Now we'll start the next operation, that is delete. Okay, so now we'll focus on that point properly. Fine. So next operation, this is the output that we have seen, that फर्स्ट array के एलिमेंट डायरेक्टली हम लोग दूसरे array में easily copy कर सकते हैं using equal to operator. Okay, fine. So next will be the delete operation. Just concentrate on that code. Okay, so no doubt this code has written in C language. Don't concentrate on language there because I have implemented in C language. So we are converting in C++, no problem. Just concentrate here. Again we are taking one array here, enter the number of elements into array को हम लोग enter कर रहे हैं. Okay, instead of scanf we are using C in here. Okay, and in printf statement or cout, enter the location where you want to delete the element. Means we have to enter which location से हमें element को delete करना है. Okay, so array, just imagine the array. I'm giving one example here of array, that is one, let's say I'm taking this example only, the one dimensional arrays. Okay, this array. Okay, just concentrate. If I want to delete the location, let's say मैंने enter किया, array को scan किया, cleared.